30th at 9 a.m. Are you kidding me? There are fucking people here. All of them are here. I'm here. What is wrong with you? The winds are too high. It's coming straight over here. You can see the foil right there. Human testing. So fucking wrong. I don't believe you. Frick. Oh, we agree. Not keep them. Everybody has it. Cover your face. Cover your face while they're spraying. You'll thank yourself for it later. Hey guys. Do you know what they're spraying right there?
What's that?
Hi. I'm your next door neighbor. Have been for over a year. I used to have all this.
Sure.
Do you remember?
Uh-huh. The grass?
It was growing inside the grass. Did they tell you they were going to spray today?
No.
Do you know what they're spraying?
No, not really.
Still has to kill everything out here, including us.
Wow.
Can I have some of your grass?
This?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, cool. I'm going to go talk to them. They know better to do it when the wind is coming this way. Do you see the wind going this way? Do you see the leaves moving?
Yeah, I know.
That's a no-no. And there you go.